Hey, what's going on YouTube? Thank you for coming back and checking the channel. I am Rob, and this is Sprayer Splash Fragrance Reviews. Got a brand new video where we're going to be looking at 5 inexpensive fragrances. Stay tuned. 5 fragrances you guys need to check out. The first up on the list is one that's a 2018 release from the House of Mauboussin. This is Private Club. This is pretty much just a sweet club fragrance. If this is something that you guys would like to add to the collection, it's worth checking out. You can copy for about 26 bucks. It's basically pepper, cardamom, red apple, and I think some vanilla in the base. It goes along with what's on trend right now for men's fragrances, and it's one that you can cop at a reasonable price, performs well, and will do the job you need it to do. Only drawback with the fragrance is the bottle. I've got quite a few fragrances by this particular brand. They're known for doing fine glassware, but the top, the first time you try to open this thing, getting the top off can be a little bit of a struggle. Once you figure out how to get it off, you can get it off easy every time, but the first time trying to twist it and get it off, it's like, what the heck, you think you're gonna break it. Once you break the seal, the first time it comes right off and shows the sprayer, but really nice, inexpensive fragrance that you can use for club use and other things if you choose to do so. But one I'm recommending for you guys to check out is a cheapie, Private Club from the House of Mauboussin. 2018 release from the House of Haramain. This is Haramain Amber Oud Gold Edition. I just did a video on this fragrance about a month or so back. This is supposedly a copy of Herboporum from Xerjoff. It's got like a nice melon note, a lot of like fruitiness at the top of the fragrance. It's got vanilla, it's got musk. Well done. One that would garner compliments. There are a lot of positive reviews for this fragrance. I don't think you can really go wrong if this is something that you would like to add to the collection, or you're looking for something like that at an affordable price point. You can get this for about 35, 36 bucks. It's a no-brainer. If you want something sweet and one that's gonna work and it's gonna get you a lot of compliments, this is another one you can look at from the House of Haramain, Amber Oud Gold Edition. 2017 release from the House of Mercedes-Benz. This is Mercedes-Benz Club Black. This has been on a lot of folks' lists as a cheapie fragrance to pick up. This is a well-done fragrance. The bottle was a fingerprint magnet, but it's really slick the way they made it. It's supposed to be like an automobile when you look at it like this. Sprayer is built in. It's got a solid sprayer though. I'll give you a spray so you can see it. You can copy it for about 50 bucks. Vanilla-based fragrance, but it's got benzoin and it's got some incense to keep it interesting. It's not beastly. A lot of folks talk about it being like a beast mode fragrance. I don't really see it as being beastly. It's got good sillage, but as far as projecting heavy, the first hour it projects heavy, but then it kind of comes in. But great smelling fragrance. It doesn't smell like it's a $200 fragrance. It smells like it's a fragrance you can cop for about 100 bucks, but to get it at 50 bucks makes it a steal and one worth checking out, especially for the colder weather. I highly recommend it. Mercedes-Benz Club Black. My favorite of the group is a 2018 release from the House of Miyake. This is Noir Argent. Incredible release. You can get this one for 50 bucks or less. Man, this is a nice, slightly balsamic, kind of aromatic, dark fragrance. It's got myrrh in it. It's got grapefruit at the top. Some incense. It's just really, really nice. Price point wise, man, you can't believe the steal. This is a great price for this fragrance. You can cop this one at fragrancebuy.ca. You can dress this one up. It can be a signature scent. I speak high. I think very highly of this fragrance. You've got to check this one out. From the House of Miyake, Noir Argent. Last fragrance is a 2015 release from the House of Bizarro. This is Bizarro Almond Intense. This is incredible bang for your buck. The quality of this fragrance is crazy to me. All right, it is cinnamon, It is brandy, it's vetiver, it is just really, really well done. Amazing. It's got that modern masculine feel I like to talk about. And if you like my taste in fragrances, you'll like this one. You'll like this one. This is a really nice release for Bizarro. Price point wise, it's on point. Like, you can get a 3.4 for about like 35, 36 bucks, somewhere in that price range. The last I checked, they were available on fragrancebuy.ca. So check this fragrance out. I think you would really enjoy it. Great bang for your buck. Great release from the house of Bizarro. Those are the 5 guys. I thank you so much for coming back and checking out the video. Give me a thumbs up if you choose. If you've never subscribed, I'd ask you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much again. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.